Do you want to know how to add and remove movies from my list on Netflix? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, so let's get started. First of all, open the Netflix app on your phone. Then, go ahead and log in into your Netflix account and open the profile that you use. Now browse through the For You page or Home and look for the movie that you want to add on My List. Once you find one, go ahead and tap on it. Then you'll see options like My List, Rate and Share below the movie name. Now tap on My List and that's how you add to the list. Now, go ahead and tap on the cross sign from the top right corner of your screen. Now select My Netflix from the bottom right corner of your screen. There you'll see your profile name, notifications, downloads, and finally My List. Now, on the top right corner of the My List section, you'll see All option. Tap on it. Now from there, go ahead and tap on Edit from the top right corner. Now you'll see a recycle bin sign beside the movies that you have added to My List. Go ahead and tap on it and tap on Done. And guys, that's it. That's how you add and remove movies from My List on Netflix. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.